Yo, tech lovers. Ready to ride the future? Start like this. Imagine trailers so advanced they're not just for hauling, they're smarter, cooler, and built for a whole new lifestyle. We're talking expandable designs, futuristic features, off-grid power, and comfort that feels like home on the road. Don't blink, don't scroll, because you're about to see cool trailers you haven't seen before. And like this, the future's in your card right now. This isn't your average trailer. It's a smart garage on wheels, a compact 8-meter container that unfolds into a fully equipped workshop in just 90 seconds. Designed for riders and adventurers, it's more than a means of transport. It's a mobile base camp that keeps your machines protected and your journey comfortable. The trailer's structure is built from durable aluminum with vacuum insulation, shielding your motorcycles, ATVs, or snowmobiles from drastic temperature swings. Whether you're hauling gear through a scorching desert highway or across frosty mountain passes, your machines travel in comfort. The manufacturer also emphasizes its aerodynamic design, but you don't need the specs to appreciate it. One glance at the futuristic curves, reminiscent of 90s sci-fi spacecraft, tells you this trailer was engineered to glide as smoothly as it looks. With a carrying capacity of up to 1,000 kilograms, the trailer easily accommodates 2 motorcycles, a pair of ATVs, or even a full-size snowmobile. That kind of versatility makes it perfect for riders who switch between summer trails and winter slopes. But hauling isn't its only trick. Once you arrive, the trailer transforms into a spacious base. Imagine rolling into camp, unfolding your garage in under 2 minutes, and suddenly having a comfortable space to relax, prep gear, or wrench on your machine. This smart garage is more than transport. It's freedom on wheels. For weekend warriors, it means more time riding and less time unloading. For explorers, it's the security of knowing your gear stays protected wherever the road leads. And for dreamers, it's an invitation to picture yourself parked under a mountain sky, garage unfolded, motorcycle cooling off beside you. So, where would you test it first? On a twisty alpine pass, where the trailer follows faithfully as you carve corners, or deep in the woods, where it becomes a rugged base camp for off-road adventures. Wherever you take it, this transforming trailer blurs the line between transport and lifestyle, delivering both the thrill of the ride and the comfort of a home base. The Hitch Hotel is more than a trailer. It's a compact, telescoping retreat on wheels. At first glance, it doesn't look like much. Folded up, the entire unit measures just a little over 1 meter in length, hardly bigger than a standard storage box hitched to your car. But give it a few minutes, and it reveals its true magic. With a simple unfolding process that takes no more than 5 minutes, the Hitch Hotel extends like a telescope to create a comfortable 2-meter capsule. Inside, you'll find space for a real double bed, offering all the coziness you need for a night under the stars. What sets it apart is its simplicity. No complicated assembly, no fiddly parts, just smooth, straightforward engineering that turns compact practicality into spacious comfort. Add in the solar panels on the roof, and the Hitch Hotel becomes a fully self-sufficient micro-cabin. With its own power supply, you can keep lights running, charge your devices, and enjoy the outdoors without compromising modern conveniences. It's not just a trailer, it's freedom in a portable package. Park, unfold, and you're ready to rest or explore. The only question is, where would you open it first? Along the serene shores of a mountain lake, watching the sunrise ripple across the water, or in the quiet of an empty desert with nothing but starlight overhead. When it comes to mobile living, the Pebble proves that size isn't everything. This sleek 6-meter trailer weighs just 2,500 kilograms, making it light enough to be towed by a mid-size SUV. But don't let its manageable weight fool you. Inside, it's a powerhouse of design, technology, and comfort built for the modern digital nomad. Step inside, and you'll find everything you need to live and work on the road. The Pebble features a full kitchen equipped with an induction cooktop, so you can whip up meals anywhere your travels take you. The bedroom doesn't compromise either. There's a spacious king-size mattress waiting for you at the end of the day. What truly sets this trailer apart is its tech-packed interior. Imagine controlling every function of your mobile home straight from your phone. Automatic leveling in just 30 seconds? Done. Need to stay connected even in remote areas? Built-in Starlink keeps you online, whether you're in the Rockies, the desert, or by the ocean. Power is no issue either. With 3 kilowatt of solar panels paired with a robust 15 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the Pebble provides enough energy to keep you working and relaxing for up to a week off-grid. Add to that a climate control system designed to handle everything from -7 degrees to +49 degrees Celsius, and suddenly your travel range expands from the icy landscapes of Iceland to the vast stretches of the Gobi Desert. Compact, lightweight, and endlessly capable, the Pebble isn't just a trailer. It's a mobile lifestyle hub ready for any adventure you can imagine. This isn't just a trailer. It's a 5-meter throne designed to give your ride the respect it deserves. From the moment you roll your car onto its extruded deck, finished in sleek black with a textured surface, it feels like a red carpet treatment tailored exclusively for your vehicle. Every detail is engineered for both function and style. Take the rubber torsion suspension, for example. It absorbs road bumps and vibrations so smoothly that even a low-profile sports car will hardly notice it's being towed. And because real-world roads don't always cooperate, the built-in drainage system keeps water, mud, and debris from collecting on the deck. It's like having a butler who ensures everything stays clean and ready. The trailer doesn't just pamper your car, it protects it. An aluminum rock guard shields your vehicle from flying gravel and road spray, while the adjustable coupler ensures compatibility with a wide range of towing vehicles, from rugged pickups to versatile SUVs. Flexibility and safety are built into the design, making this trailer as practical as it is premium. In short, it elevates towing to an entirely new level. After experiencing this kind of treatment, your car will never settle for an ordinary tow truck again. It's not just transport, it's a statement of how much you value your ride. Say goodbye to sore backs and awkward ramps. This 6.7-meter aluminum beauty is engineered for effortless loading, lowering its platform to just 30 centimeters off the ground. Vehicle loading becomes as easy as child's play. Powered by a precision hydraulic system, it smoothly manages loads of up to 2.5 tons, handling everything from your prized sports car to a pair of compact city cars with absolute ease. The real magic lies in its clever design. Weighing only 1,200 kilograms, this lightweight trailer can carry 2 passenger cars without compromise. A smart air suspension system automatically levels the platform, even on uneven parking lots, ensuring safe, stable positioning every time. Add to that its advanced stabilization system, and the ride feels so smooth, it's almost as if the cars load themselves. For owners of rare collector cars, the low approach height eliminates the risks of damaging body kits or undercarriages. Auto dealers tired of clunky ramps will discover a game-changing solution that saves time and effort. Race teams, where every second counts, will appreciate the speed, safety, and efficiency this trailer delivers. More than just a transporter, it's an investment in convenience, safety, and peace of mind. With performance this seamless, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Imagine taking the luxury of a traditional sauna wherever your adventures lead. This mobile sauna is designed to travel with you, whether it's a snowy retreat in the Alps or a summer escape to Lake Balaton. From the outside, it may look like a modest 4.3-meter trailer, but step inside and you'll find a fully equipped steam room. At its heart is a powerful 9-kilowatt Harvia stove, capable of heating the space to a steaming 90 degrees Celsius in just minutes. Built for the road, this portable sauna weighs only 1,600 kilograms, light enough for most mid-sized SUVs to tow with ease. Simply park at your destination, fire up the stove, and within 20 minutes, you'll be enjoying the warmth of a genuine sauna while gazing out at your surroundings. Picture yourself relaxing with a panoramic view of the lake, steam rising as the water shimmers, or stepping outside into fresh mountain air after a rejuvenating session. Designed for year-round use, the system is robust enough to handle even the coldest Canadian winters. Whether you dream of sitting in the warmth while snow piles up outside the door, or prefer taking a refreshing plunge into a nearby lake, the choice is yours. With Heartwood, every journey becomes an opportunity to create your perfect sauna setting. Forget everything you thought you knew about trailers. This is no ordinary add-on rolling behind your car. It's a true rebel on wheels. Instead of simply tagging along, the Aerium lends a helping hand thanks to its built-in electric motor. The result? Regenerative braking that doesn't just slow things down, but actually recharges itself. In fact, It can extend the towing vehicle's range by an impressive 20 to 30%, making it a real game changer for electric cars. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Parking and maneuvering, usually the hardest part of towing, becomes effortless. With independent drive capability, the AirM can move all on its own, like a giant remote-controlled EV that obeys your commands. Imagine guiding your trailer into a tight camping spot or repositioning it on your driveway without ever touching your car's steering wheel. Inside, it's just as forward-thinking. A sweeping panoramic roof with electrochromic tinting adapts to the light at your command, while integrated voice control makes operating every system as easy as speaking. Need stability? The automatic leveling function deploys in seconds, ensuring comfort and safety even when you've parked on an uneven slope. For now, the AirM exists only as a concept, but it offers a glimpse of where mobility is heading. Trailers will no longer be dead weight. They'll become active partners in the journey, contributing power, comfort, and intelligence along the way. The only real question is, how soon will we see this bold vision rolling out onto the open road? Meet the Bruder EXP-4, the two-wheeled warrior built for explorers who find regular campers far too tame. This rugged trailer isn't designed for parking lots or smooth highways. It's built to follow you wherever your spirit of adventure takes you. Thanks to its independent suspension and heavy-duty shocks, the EXP-4 glides over rough terrain with surprising grace. Swampy trails, rocky paths, or desert dunes. This camper devours them all. The ride is so stable, you could keep a drink on the counter without spilling a drop, even as you're powering through obstacles. Add its high ground clearance, and suddenly, that boulder, rut, or fallen branch is nothing more than a minor bump on the journey. Power is never a problem. Equipped with 400 watts of solar panels feeding a 200-amp battery, the EXP-4 is ready to support a week or more off the grid. Whether you're running lights, charging devices, or powering a small fridge, you'll have the energy to live comfortably far from civilization. And with an axle load capacity of 2,600 kilograms, this trailer is more than tough enough to handle whatever you pack for your epic escape. But here's the best part. Off-roading no longer has to mean mud, discomfort, and eating canned beans by flashlight. The Bruder EXP-4 redefines the adventure lifestyle, giving you freedom, comfort, and resilience in one compact, fearless package. It's not just a camper, it's proof that the wild outdoors can be conquered in style. At first glance, it looks like a clever little trailer, just 5 meters long. But give it 15 minutes, and it transforms into a full-size home with an impressive 33 square meters of living space. It's like a magic trick, only instead of pulling a rabbit from a hat, you're unfolding a complete house. Bedroom, kitchen, half living room, and even an office. The transformation is powered by a smart hydraulic system that smoothly expands the structure. Faster than the average tourist can pitch a tent, your compact trailer becomes a spacious retreat. At the center of the design sits the kitchen and bathroom, forming the heart of the home. To one side, an expanding section houses a bedroom and office combined. On the other, another extension opens into a living and dining area where friends and family can gather. The bedroom features a queen-size Murphy bed that folds neatly against the wall, maximizing space when it's not in use. The office blends seamlessly into the paneling, keeping the layout clean and uncluttered. In the living area, there's enough room to relax, dine, or simply enjoy the view through large windows. And because modern living demands sustainability, the roof is fitted with 175-watt solar panels, giving you the option to stay off-grid while still enjoying creature comforts. The only real question left is simple. Are you ready to embrace the ultimate folding home, where mobility meets comfort and innovation transforms travel into lifestyle?